Hey guys, thanks for coming back to On The Go Crypto. We're going to do a quick update video on Myro and the variants, Myra and Rocky, the clear winner there. Also an important correlation between Bitcoin and Myro's 7-day charts and some important information about the bonk pump. I want to thank you guys first for coming back to another video. Please do like the video, guys. You know, that's all I ever need from you fine ladies and gentlemen, and you're helping me out tremendously every day in building this channel. This channel is taking off, and it's because of you and your likes. It's not because of me. So I want to thank you yet again personally for each and every one of those likes, guys. They really make a difference, and I appreciate your support. Let's get started on this. A lot to cover in a short update video, stuff you don't want to miss. First thing, Myro consolidating sideways. We did not retest this local low, just down in the 11.5 cent range. We're doing much better, chopping sideways. It's bullish. It's like we know what's coming. Now, the most important thing to remember is on the 12th of January, Bitcoin dumped, okay? It dumped from 46,000 to just under 42,000 in the early morning hours of January 12th, right here. Look at the 7-day chart, okay? Bitcoin's dominance is real. Look at the 7-day chart for Myro. Pay attention. This matters more than I can even explain. At the exact same time as Bitcoin dumped, Myro took off on a huge run. It did pop slightly down, trying to slave out to that Bitcoin dominance, but the buying pressure was overwhelming, and it sent it on a run, right? Every time it tried to drop with Bitcoin, every time, overwhelming buying volume in mass. This is not normal retail buys. These are massive amounts of buys in massive quantities, in massive numbers. Now, Bitcoin dumping like this, Myro pumping like this, in the same 36-hour spread. It has to be somebody packing their bags. It cannot be. That's not normal. It can't be normal retail volume. This much of a Bitcoin dump should have taken a speculative asset like Myro into the toilet, and yet it ran up the entire time in a complete opposite direction. Now, why is that important? That's important because people are forgetting that this on 11/22, so November 22nd, bonk had its first, what people would say is the first local lower high that started the first downtrend on bonk, okay? And it stopped on November 30th. That's 8 days. And then all of a sudden, this is exactly when Coinbase started packing their bags. And boom, this overwhelming buy volume, it's insane. They pop up, and then they announce the listings after they pack their bags. The rest of the pump is history on Coinbase, as you already know. My point is, from the beginning of the confirmed downtrend here to when Coinbase decided to start packing their bonk bags was 8 days. We haven't even been in this downtrend, quote unquote, for 48 hours, and people are already freaking out and jumping ship. So you shouldn't be playing in memes with money you can't afford to lose anyway. So if you're playing a gambling share, isn't it a gamble to leave before this? Isn't that the gamble, really? So I'm just saying, I'm not giving financial advice. It's common sense. I mean, really, if you're playing with gambling money, shouldn't you? That's what we're gambling for, right? We're waiting for this. This is the reason we play in memes. Just pointing that out, I thought it was important to mention. Rocky looking bullish, sideways consolidation. On the way up, actually, I didn't get into Rocky, but it looks legit. So congratulations to the people making money in Rocky. Way to go. Myra, it's only been on CoinMarketCap for 48 hours. It's looking bad, I'm not going to lie. 67% down since it came on 2 days ago. They did correct the website right here from his to her husband, like we pointed out in the previous video. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll link the video at the end of this one. You have to look at the real chart on Myra. Everyone thinks it's a rug pull. I'm hearing all this, Myra's a scam. Do you think Myra's a scam? I don't think it's a rug pull because this is not a rug pull chart. You know, I'm sorry to disappoint you if that's your narrative, but I'm just telling you, this isn't a rug pull chart. A rug pull chart would be a hell candle to the floor and a flat line to the right. That's not what we're looking at here, and I'm just being honest with you here. That's not what we're looking at. It's not a rug pull, but I'm not saying it's legit. I'm not saying to buy or not buy any of these. I'm just a guy on the internet giving you my opinion the way I see it, guys. We're doing this in the Patreon every day. Great group of people in there now. There's levels for everybody. Feel free to come in and join us. If you do, fantastic. I can't wait to see you there. And if you don't, I'll still see you here on the channel, and it'll all be okay because you're just going to stay calm and make that money. And I'll see you again. Thanks.